is for urchins, spiny and small, rolling through the sea, rolling like a ball. With their sharp spines and round shape, urchins teach us to keep our space. Let's write the letter U, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital U, curved like a big smile. Lowercase u is smaller in style. U is for urchin, roll, roll, roll. Learning letters is the goal. The urchin hides where the rocks are deep, wading in the sea without a peep. With sharp defenses, they move with grace. Urchins show us how to keep our space. The letter U is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital U, curved like a big smile. Lowercase u is smaller in style. U is for urchin, roll, roll, roll. Learning letters is the goal. Urchins live where the waters are blue. Let's write the letter U. It's easy to do. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter U is next in our ABC. Capital U, curved like a big smile. Lowercase u is smaller in style. U is for urchin, roll, roll, roll. Learning letters is the goal.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.